Mix and you and your whole team for telling the children's story in such a wonderful way.
When I know you have to, as a CEO, you have to have a vision. Has the vision been fulfilled with both of your facilities?
Well, I would say it's been surpassed, quite honestly, because of the belief the Mahoning Valley community has in the meaningful work of children's, and again, our focus on what's in the best interest of each and every one of those children. And we believe there are three promises that we talk about all the time. Promise number one is to treat every child that comes through our doors as if that child's our own. Promise number two is we promise to treat people the way they want to be treated. And promise number three is we promise never to turn a child away for any reason. And today there's a lot of pressure on healthcare cost and financing. And because of the caring communities that we're part of, our doors are open for all children. And a Radiothon and what you folks are doing here is one of the reasons we can stay true to those promises.
And if there's folks that are listening right now and they say, well, it doesn't really affect us right now, but down the road, it just might. Unfortunately, if you've got 100,000 kids coming into a hospital over a year's time, it could affect you at one time or another. So you would appreciate if someone was helping you. So that's why it'd be important for you to help them right now.
That's well said. And when you think about the number of children that we're privileged to serve, the Children's Integrated Healthcare Delivery System that we're all part of, we're going to see over 900,000 children this year through our healthcare programs. And then also we have a school health service that's in 28 school districts with school nurses, school aides, over 160 schools. And those school aides and school nurses will probably touch about 350,000 children. And within that, I'd be hard-pressed and be very surprised if someone didn't have a friend, a person at church, or a neighbor that didn't have a child that the investment that we've made in child health care didn't touch that child's life.
Bill Considine, thank you. Thank you for your work.
Well, one other thing, my wife and I believe in this, and we want to make a $1,000 pledge to
Wow.
the Radiothon.
$1,000.
$1,000. Hopefully that'll touch more than 1,000 children's lives.
A miracle maker in many ways. Thank you, Bill.
Thank you so much.
All right. And again, you can be a miracle maker. It doesn't have to be 1,000 like Bill. It can just be the $10 a month. 1-888-746-9890.